I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'm going to tell you how I use rose water in my skincare routine. Rose water can be very refreshing, very soothing, especially for summer skincare, And this is very easy to use. Anyone can use it. It is good for all skin types. And here I'm going to tell you 3 ways to use rose water to make the most out of it. And for this, I'll be using the rose water from WishCare because they have really good quality rose water, and their rose water is made from 100% pure Kannauj Rose. WishCare's rose water is not a byproduct of rose essential oil. It is made through steam distillation process, so you get the maximum benefit out of the rose water. You get all the antioxidants, all the benefits. And see, there are rose waters in the market, very popular ones. They only have water and fragrance in the formulation, that's all. You're not getting real rose water. And you can see the comparison up here. This is a very famous rose water brand. If you see the ingredients list, you will see it has mostly water and fragrance. If I want rose water in my skincare routine, I do want something that is pure steam distilled rose water like WishCare's. It doesn't have any artificial fragrance. It doesn't contain any essential oil, just pure good rose water. Even the pump packaging is very convenient to use. This rose water is suitable for face, body and hair application. Let me show you how I use this. First, what I do, I use this as a face mist or toner. This is very simple to do. Just clean your face with your favorite cleanser, and then you can go on and spray the rose water on your skin simply as a toner or face mist. It feels very refreshing, it is hydrating, soothing, and this is so simple, yet I like doing this for my skin. It also balances skin's pH. You can repeat this throughout the day. Also, you can use the rose water for your scalp, especially if you have itchy scalp. You're gonna get benefit out of it. Since I have itchy scalp, and spraying rose water on my scalp once in a day helps me a lot. Also, before applying any hair mask, you can spray this on your hair as well. And my favorite way to use this, to mix it with a facial uptan and use this as a face pack. I'm here using licorice powder. I'm mixing this with rose water, and then I'm gonna keep this for say 10 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it off. It makes my skin bright and soft. And also you can mix your uptan with rose water, like any uptan you can use. I also sometimes mix aloe vera with rose water. I keep this on say 10 minutes on my skin. During the summertime, it feels very refreshing, very hydrating, and I simply love using it. You also can use rose water to treat summer rashes on your body, and yeah, it's a very simple thing to use, but it can be very useful, especially during summer. Our skin needs something hydrating, something soothing, and rose water can be very useful. And this one from WishCare you can carry around. It's very travel friendly packaging, so whenever you feel that you need this pick me up glow, you can spray the rose water on your face. It is such a quick way to refresh your face. Even for hair and scalp, it makes my hair and scalp very refreshed, and it smells also quite nice. And I really hope you find this to be helpful, and let me know about your favorite ways to use rose water. How do you use this in your skincare routine? And if you have any questions, then feel free to ask me in the comments box, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.